Hey designer enthusiast, right now we're just recreating or creating, you can say, a navigation bar for our application. Any application you are creating, I am recreating few this type of navigation bars having different varieties. You can just go through this video completely and see what the comfortable navigation bar for you, and you can implement or you can create that one for yourself. So let's get started. So in this particular video, we require few elements for our design. I already brought up from icon libraries and text. I have already written few elements like whatever the initial navigation bar I have imagined in my brain, that I have to recreate. So let's place these elements. So these are, I have make it feel, this is not required for now. This is kind of, you can say, Instagram. Okay, Instagram navigation bar I have brought up over here. So there is a fixed height. You can see the height is 92. I have enlarged the height for a better visibility. You can just drag this particular element inside your bar and place it here. This is, you can see over here, this is a complete basic level of navigation bar, which is normally people our user best of your users, if they know, they have a knowledge of readability, they can easily understand this is home, text is over here and the icon is over here. You want user should listen and imagine the icon as well as reading what the icon defines to. Okay, this is one variety. Let's jump to another variety. And over here I will just play around some things. I will just simply remove those text. Okay, this is another variety. Only the clicking area, the clickable icon will only highlight, and with the particular that type of icons only show the name. If the user click on the home, then home will be highlighted with field, inner field, and then the text should be mentioned. If the user click on the search, then search will get highlighted and text will be there, and this particular home will go to the default look like this. This is two variety we have done. Let's name it nav1. Or don't forget to name, because naming is very much necessary and essential for your design. So if you want detailed work in your design flow, just do naming and all. Okay, I hope you are searching why this is over here. So let's drag whatever I imagined personally. So it's like a flashlight coming from the top part. So I will make it absolute and place it like this, highlighting the particular icon, showing the user this part is highlighted, this icon is highlighted in more better way. Similarly, this having another variant where I will just not go for creating again and again. I will just switch his paste under place with all those icons and good to go with the second variant. How quick I am doing, right? Okay, let's jump up to the next variant. Over here I just don't require this flash. Over here I just imagine something like capsule like design. I hope you have seen somewhere else, but majorly application don't provide, but few of the application are available in the market who is showing kind of capsule like navigation bar. So I will select this. It's in auto layout. I will just play around with this particular tool, horizontal layout. Yes, then bring it to the center and make it a little bit bigger, reduce the height, arrange everything in the center line to the main card and give it a feel. If I will not give it a feel, then it will not look that appealing whatever I have imagined. Okay, I'll just put a lighter shade, rounded the corners, make it a little bit more. 34 is good to go as a clickable range for the user, and 90 is a perfect width. Nice. This is one variant showing the name, selected icon's name. If user clicks on, if user not clicks in the search, it clicks in the home, then this will look like this. I will not create every single icons. I will just create the initial icon itself. I hope you can imagine how the further icons you can make comfortable for the user just by clicking just one click away. Similarly, there is one case where I just want this particular icon to be normalized. Just wait 1 second. Yes, normalize and the one thing always I want to highlight this center icon in a precise way or in a better format. Okay, just give it a feel. Simple. Yep. And make it rounded as always. Yeah, it's center lined. Don't forget to check always if the element is center lined or not. Give it a stroke. I think stroke should be highlighted. Similarly, the icon should be as for the brand color. Yes, and this particular icon will stand out a little bit. Why it's not having resizing, so I will just play around with manually. 62, I will just make the height. It will seems like rounded and it's outside. Perfect. This is one of the another trick to highlight the center one, and you can mention the text, but if the icon is that precisely drawn out, then definitely it will identify. If you click on the add, then something you can just arrange like in the top part, or after clicking this add button signifies you have to post something, you have to add some elements, you have to add some photos, videos, or whatever your profile your app is MVP is. So yeah, this is another way. Similarly, now I will play with yep, I will just play in the nav play around the naming and few elements. I will just remove this one. I'll just place those names back because it's much more convenient for the users to understand. It depends on the user base. If my user is that well educated or the user base is more precisely highlighted, then definitely we can just mention the names. If it's not, then definitely we just have to left out with icons only. That's it. I'll make the icon a little bit bolder and putting some stroke, increase some stroke. How quickly we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variety of icon set. You can just further go ahead and play around something like I have not created this one having this particular look. Yes, we can just add names and this will convert into another navigation bar type. So total 8 type of navigation bar we have just highlighted over here right now, and I don't think this is that convenient for the user. I think this is better. Once user click, then the name pop out. This is like horizontal and vertical alignment. It's completely wrong. Don't do it. Just remove this one. I'm just removing this one. This is a wrong navigation bar for right now. Okay, there are further mini navigation bar we're gonna recreate in further futures video. So that's it for the day, guys, and you can recreate this type of navigation bar for your YouTube for your project, upcoming project or upcoming application, whatever you are creating in your company, or you are a freelancer. You can just implement this type of navigation bar and that will be aesthetically look much more better. So you can just hit like and just comment down your thoughts. If you have any further components I want to recreate, just put your Figma link in the comment section below. I'll just recreate those components. If you have any images, pictures, do let me know in my comments, or give a drive link. I will definitely love to visit that link and just recreate those particular element and show you the entire video in a proper step-by-step way. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned. Bye bye.